Good evening. It is Friday, June the 29th, 2018, 9:50 p.m. here in Hermitage, Tennessee. Just an update to let you know what I've been doing and what will be happening in the future. As most of you have noticed this week, I haven't been around much live. I've been attending a great many Zoom webinars, meetings, product introductions, learning a lot about Zoom, and I intend to learn a lot more as I intend to start using the Zoom webinar. I'll be ordering it at the end of July, but I'm getting as prepared as I can beforehand. I wanted to share some things with you, particularly about the chat room. As you know, it is open from 11 a.m. Eastern to 11 p.m. Eastern, Monday through Friday. Because of the varied times that Zoom produces their things, they do multiple things a day, and it takes up quite a bit of time. Let me show you exactly what I mean. I'm going to show you my schedule for next week. Hang on, let me do a new share here. We go over here. I'm going to share this. Okay, go to Google Calendar. That is what my calendar looks like for the first week of July, Monday through Friday. So basically the areas you see in white would be the times that I would be available in the chat room. I will always be there 10 to 10:30 in the morning, except for the Zoom webinar on Thursday, which is 10 to 11. After 10:30, I have things happening, particularly on Friday morning, as that's the 1 hour meeting where they hold the actual Zoom meeting rather than a webinar. Wednesday afternoons, I'm good for a lot of time. With the change that's going on with Heather and her show, Michael will be coming back to do the plus work thing and tinkering. As you can see, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday evenings are all taken up. I have blog aid tips on Tuesday night, trying to keep up with those of you that may be using WordPress and I see something that you might be interested in, and I catch that to be able to post about that. But anyway, that will give you an idea of why I haven't been around lately and why I may not be around as much as I used to be. I could sit here and keep the other computer open all day and just let people drop in and out. I still will probably be doing that, but if you come in and you see some sort of message on the screen rather than me sitting there, that means I'm probably away over doing a Zoom thing or at Terry's Music or, some other user-to-user person member is having an online event somewhere that I may be attending. But like I said, I just wanted to keep you what's going on with that. The second thing is people have wanted to know where they can find my stuff. Now, I have several. I've got the user-to-user community. I've got several collections going. So let me show you that. We go over here. Let me say Screencast, and we go to, I think it's in Documents. Is it in Documents? I think. Let me get this thing sorted by. I've forgotten what the name of the darn thing is I saved it under now. I thought it was Andy something. Andy Links, there it is right there. Okay. And then move this out of the way. Move this out of the way. Oops. That's my YouTube pricing plans and features. That's not the list that I'm looking for. I thought it was Andy Mac. Hang on, let's go over here. Notepad. Open Andy main links. That's the one I want. Now, I hope you are seeing this. Let me highlight all this because what I'm going to do is I'm going to Control C and I'm going to put this into the collection, the chat. But okay. Application to join the community, that's where you can ask to join. The daily open chat room, that's the link to that. Online events featuring members, that is posted in the morning, every morning. Anybody that lets me know they're having an online event that day will be put into the daily summary. User2User-LIVE Video Vault, that is where links are placed to all those members of User2User that have uploaded a video the previous day. I subscribe to if you are a member of User2User, I subscribe to your channel so I get notifications so I can put that up. User Live on Q&A. This is simply a read-only list of the links to get to the daily collection, this online thing, in case that link changes. Zoom training event calendar. This is where if you click that link, it will take you to a calendar showing every event link for any Zoom meeting or webinar that they are showing on their live training page. You don't have to go over to check it and then check and do that. Just go there, click the link. It'll give you links to any of them. And I added a week at a time so your calendar doesn't get filled up. The Zoom tips and tricks collection. That is if you're using Zoom and I come across various notes and things, workarounds, whatever, you want to follow that. Zoom Advanced Meter using. As you know, Zoom twice a week at 4:30 Central and 10:30 Central on Tuesdays and Fridays, respectively, hold their thing in a meeting format rather than in a webinar format. You get to play with the break rooms, renaming yourself, sharing screens, they do the whole 9 yards. You can always find the links to the last 6 meetings there. So that is basically that. Let me stop this sharing now. I'll go over here in chat. I'm going to say Control V, and that should put all of that in chat for you. When I upload this to YouTube, I will include those links in the description of the YouTube video also. So basically, that's what I have been working on. I will continue to work with finding out as much as I can about Zoom, particularly the new features that they've added in the update that came out this past week. If you haven't updated your Zoom, I suggest you do so. And the way that you do that is you go here. Let me go to here. click here. You go up to this little thingy, you click this button, you go down here, and it says check for updates. And it says a new version is available to update. That's interesting, as they just updated sometime this past week, so I will have to update this other one again. I'll bet that they updated the iOS because that wasn't in the original update that came out. So anyway, that's where you find to do it, and then you just click on that and follow the prompts. So that's got that. We are now going to stop this screen share. Close that. And that's it. If you have any questions, you can post them as comments to the YouTube video, or you can post them over in the user community if you are a member of that community. Otherwise, you can send me an email, agh3rd@gmail.com. That's A as in Andrew, G as in Gaston, H as in Hatchet @gmail.com. Thanks for watching, and we're going to now stop this recording.